Yes, good afternoon. Guys, thank you for stopping by to my Facebook Live. Guys, today is my friend's birthday party in South London. I had a lie-in today, so I couldn't do my exercises in the morning. So what I did, I killed two birds with one stone. Yes, what I did is I walked the 6 miles from Finsbury Park to where are we? What area is this, please? Burgess Park, yeah. Thank you. And on YouTube it said, on maps it said it's 6 miles and a bit. So it took me about 2.5 hours. I mean, I did stop on the way and take iconic pictures and small videos on the way. I went through Clarendon and Blackfriars. It's a lovely day for it. Now I'm here and I'm drinking some power soup. This is a really good soup. So guys, happy Saturday. Oh, Sunday, sorry, happy Sunday. I want to take this opportunity to wish you, and yes, I really do mean you, a very, very good day. This is your boy Patrick, voted by his customers as London's happiest bus driver. Hey, if you can't beat him, join him. Oh my God, I'm